Hi friends, welcome to my videos. In this video I'm going to evaluate a letter which is written by a student in response to a task for IELTS General Training Writing Task 1. So I'm going to evaluate, I'm going to find out the mistakes. So what I have done in this, you'll see some highlighted portions, was some portions in red, some portions in green. So the portions in red were written by the student that I changed with green. So I'm gonna share it with you so that you can really analyze what exactly went wrong with the student and how I improved it. Okay, let's see the question here. You recently received a letter from a friend asking your advice whether to go to college or try to get a job. You think he should get a job. Write in your letters why he should not enjoy going to college, explain why getting a job is a good idea for him, suggest types of job that would be suitable for him. So the very first thing is you are going to write this to a letter. So you can start with a name, dear ABC, dear John, dear William, anything like that, and this is an informal letter. You're talking to a friend. So this is how you begin. So now let's see uh, the task how my student has written. So the student has said, Dear John, I have just received your letter which includes whether you can enroll in a university. So I change this in with at a university or apply for a job. It's recommended to try to search for a job because this is informal and this use of its is correct. Always remember, like I have seen people do a lot of mistakes between this and this. So the meaning of both words is different. So make sure you use the correct form. Alright. So here we can even improve further. It's recommended to search for a job. To search a job. That's all. It seems that you will be stressed if you enroll at a college because the curriculum is full time. As you will not find extra time to search for a career which you need, which you are in need of it. So which you are in need of, or like she created some ambiguity here, so I changed it to which you need. In the university syllabus, you are going to be dedicated to basic research and you have to participate in a weekly group work project which are essential in the grading mark system. So here she should have inserted a comma that she missed, so that's why I have included this. So you will not have any time for any social activities which leads to mental aberration. Well, grammatically it's correct, but I think it should be mental stress or something like that would have been better. Anyway, it's fine. I know that you are financially tight and you are in need of certain funds. That's why my advice is to try to apply for a career through recruitment offices or via websites. This will be more efficient for better job prospects because you will gain experience and at the same time you will have enough amount to afford your monthly expenses. Moreover, here she has used the comma appropriately. University tuition fees can be saved if you work for a year in any company. Yeah, so she wrote this, but I changed it to for a year in any company. Nowadays, if you gain experience in information technology and computer science, this will lead to promoting to a high-tech corporation. So again she missed a comma here, and moreover we can improve this sentence as well. Nowadays if you gain experience in information technology and computer science, this you will be promoted to, anyway it's fine. So try to search for a web developer vacancy. Yeah, she has used a, so it has to be a singular noun, web developer vacancy, but she used vacancy, so I change it to vacancy. Or a web programmer. I know that you need to endeavor your linguistic abilities, so you can also think to apply as a waiter at a restaurant. which not only improves your speaking skills but also enhances your negotiation skills, as it is essential for your future career. Okay, let's read it once again because she has included a very long sentence. I know that you need to endeavor your linguistic abilities, so you can also think to apply as a waiter at a restaurant, which not only improves your speaking but also enhances your negotiation. Yeah, the subject verb agreement here is perfect, no question about that, but also enhances your negotiation skills, as it is essential for your career or future career. It's okay, for your career is also fine, but she has included future, so it's not bad. Looking forward to hearing from you soon, and please keep in touch. So full stop is required. Best wishes, best regard. I have removed her name. All right, so this is how she has written, and considering all the aspects, like I have put overall 7.5. She has achieved the task. Coherence she has used. Cohesion, lexical resources good, grammar also good. So if I go for the mistakes, at some places she did some mistakes, like here, and she did some mistakes in prepositions. She missed commas at certain places, but overall she was able to achieve the target, and she was able to cover what was actually asked her to do, like explain why getting a job is a good idea for him, suggest types of jobs that would be suitable for him. So she first explained like why going into jobs is a good idea for him, and then she also suggested types of jobs that would be suitable for him. So in both the sections, she managed to maintain the coherence and structures. So overall, she has done really good. That's why I have put high marks for her. And one good thing she did is like the way she has started and ended the letter. Like this is an informal letter. Yeah, I have already published a video where I have told you how you should start and close a letter for your general training task 1. So like when it comes to formal, when it comes to semi formal, or when it comes to the third part, informal, you should have a different approach for every kind. So she has stick to it, and this is not difficult to understand and remember. Anybody, of course, when you're talking to a friend, you are not gonna write dear Mr. John, dear Mr. John Smith, dear Mr. William. This is not, you are not this is not the way you talk to your friends, right? So you talk with their names, so that she has mentioned here, that's correct. And at the end, when you write formal letters, like when you write to your principal, your company executive, or anything formal, you use the words like yours faithfully. But in this case, she has used best wishes, which is fine. You can also use best regards and other suitable words. So overall, she has achieved the task, and she has managed to maintain the structure. Now, how she is gonna do in your actual exam is something different, because when she sent me this essay, she used a Microsoft Word. So when you use Microsoft Word, lot of spelling mistakes you just avoid by just right clicking on the words you type. But in your actual exam, you're gonna write on a piece of paper using pen or pencil. And I always suggest my students always go for pencils, because in that case, when you change or modify anything, you have cleaner looks at your paper. So always stick to that, and in that way you can do better. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, any query you want to ask me, please go ahead and ask. Anything you want me to prepare for you, please do it. And do not forget to like and subscribe, because the more likes you give, the more quality will be added in YouTube for this video, and it will reach to more and more people. So thank you.